Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Happy Cat coin because friends recently you can see a massive rally in this meme coin, 61% pump in last 24 hours. This amazing performance from this meme coin. Recently I shared this meme coin with you with price of 0.3 times $0.50, but right now you can see coin has killed 10 and its price is $0.0026. A massive rally in this meme coin, and right now because entire crypto market is again bullish, as I already told you that crypto market meme coins days will be back here soon. So right now meme coins days are back here. We have many meme coins just like Moondang, Turbo, Bread, Happy Cat, and many meme coins did 5 to 10x in just last few days. And I can see Happy Cat is also one of them. 61% pump last 24 hours and 443% pump in last 30 days. Okay, 443% pump in last 30 days. So it's amazing performance from this meme coin. But friends, like see, still smart cap is just 8.9 million only. Okay, so still we can say this meme coin is in massive dip here. Smart cap is very low, just 8.9 million only. $7.6 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Trading volume somehow good, and 3.3 billion coin supply. Solana ecosystem Cat3 meme coin launched on BNB chain. Also, you can see friends, Binance Alpha Spotlight and a Cat3 meme coin in Solana ecosystem. We are still 95% down than all time high. It was 6 months ago. No doubt, today coin is pumped by 61% and in last 30 days 443% pump, but still we are 95% down than its all-time high. So as I already told you that this market cap is right now only $9 million, but all-time high market cap was around I think 80 to 90 million dollars. But maybe as right now crypto market is bullish and meme coins are pumping huge here, so maybe we can see in short term its new all-time high also 573% up than its all-time low. They were just 1 month ago, so at that time I definitely share this meme coin. You can see friends, all-time low was 0.3 times $38. I share with you 0.3 times $5. And major central exchanges has already listed this coin. You can see friends, KuCoin, CoinX, MEXC, Albank has already listed this coin. So if you not have CoinX and KuCoin exchange account yet, I already provide you both central exchanges links in description. You can sign up on both central exchanges where you can buy all newly launched best meme coin before listing on major central exchanges. Friends, for further details, you can also check out their website about this meme coin. Okay, all details are provided here that how you can buy this coin using DEXs, their social communities. Okay, follow on X, on Telegram, BitGet, Radium, Lbank. These some central exchanges that have mentioned where this coin is listed. Uphold has also listed this coin, Bluefin, and because some meme coin, so no doubt coin is looking good. And friends, these are the top holders of this coin. Gate.io exchange is the highest holder of this coin, having 11.2% of supply. Second wallet is Radium, that is Solana DEX, holding 3.2% of supply. Third exchange is MEXC, that are other central exchange holding 3% of supply. BitGet and KuCoin holding 2 and 1.2% of supply. So first five wallets, okay, are the central exchanges and DEX's wallets, okay, and holding more than 20% of supply. So this is good. There's no any value issue looking here because mostly are central exchanges wallets. So this is good, friends. And now my price prediction about Happy is that, okay, see friends, still its current market cap is just $8.9 million, means about $9 million. But as right now entire market is looking bullish and still we are 95% down than its all-time high. No doubt already coin is amazingly pumpier, but if crypto market can continue this momentum, upward momentum in crypto market, then definitely we can see this meme coin from just 9 million market cap to maybe up to 50 to 60 billion dollars market cap in short term. But in long term, in super cycle, meme coins mega bullion is possible. The Happy Cat can be the next $1 billion market cap coin. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research if you're not investing here. And friends, still because lots of central exchange listing left, maybe we can see it's listing on Binance because you can see Binance Spotlight. Okay, so maybe it's possible that this coin can be also next listing for Binance also. And friends, you can also join my Telegram channel where I provide you other cryptocurrencies updates there before on YouTube. Okay, so link in description. You can also join my Telegram channel.